Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My mind is art. I am Tanvi Gupta. So for today's video, I am going to share with you a tutorial on this makeup look right here. This is a very simple and very glam makeup look which you can easily carry to college or office as well. So this makeup look right here is done with very minimalistic products, and this is a no foundation makeup look. Yes, you heard it right. I haven't used any foundation on my face. I've just used concealer for my base and obviously a compact powder or a setting powder. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video.
What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. And know there was a time when we never let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. Swallow your choice instead. never let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice instead. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind. Until you break my thought. Until you break my thought. These sticks and stones will break. They will break, they will break, they will break. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice instead. Terrified of.
That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope you love this makeup tutorial. I absolutely love this. I'm very happy the way it turned out to be. This is me trying this look for the first time. I hope you enjoyed it as well. So please share my video and please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.
Oh.